What if I told you robots are not just the future, but our present allies? In hospitals, robots are not just assisting doctors, they're performing surgeries with precision beyond human capability. Imagine a robot named Dr. Precision with a steady hand that never shakes, ensuring perfect sutures in complex surgeries. In space, robots like Rover, equipped with advanced AI, are paving the way for human exploration. They navigate treacherous terrains, collect samples, and even fix their own glitches, all while millions of miles away from any human touch. And in disaster zones, robots like RescueBot are the unsung heroes, venturing into areas too dangerous for human rescuers, lifting debris and saving lives. But it's not just about high-stakes scenarios. In daily life, robots like Helper, designed with a friendly interface, are now helping with chores, from vacuuming to cooking, making our lives easier. The challenge is to integrate these robots seamlessly into our lives without losing the human touch. The resolution: AI robotics is not about replacing us. It's about enhancing our capabilities and extending our reach. By the end of this video, you'll see AI robots not as futuristic gadgets, but as indispensable partners in shaping a better tomorrow. Please like, share, and subscribe for more AI robotics fun facts.